2 months ago, in June 2024, I decided to take a leap and start a new side hustle without spending much capital. The result, nearly $900 in pure profit in the first 30 days. By the second month, I had already earned an additional $1,100 with minimal effort. Today, I'm excited to share exactly what this new side hustle is, the lessons I've learned so far, and how I plan to scale this to generate at least $5,000 in passive income per month by 2025. And if you're wondering how you can start a side hustle while still working full-time, stick around because in the second part of this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide. Spoiler alert, it doesn't require much work after the initial setup. So recently, I shared how I scaled one of my side hustles to generate $200,000 in revenue in just 1 year, all while becoming a new mom, holding down a full-time job. The response was overwhelming, and many of you reached out asking for advice on how to start a side hustle when you don't have much capital to invest. You know, with so much information online about different businesses you could start, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. The number of options can be literally paralyzing, making it tough to decide which way to go. My advice, go for low-risk, high-reward opportunity that need minimal upfront investment and fit your lifestyle. For me, my goal has shifted to creating different ways to earn money that help out my family and let my kids and aging parents have new experiences around the world. So after finding success with my e-commerce business, I started exploring other opportunities to diversify my income streams. I discovered the new Amazon Influencer Program, which has quickly become one of the most talked about ways to build a passive income stream. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, which can be very tough due to the challenge of driving traffic to your links, the Amazon Influencer Program simplifies the process. Your video reviews are featured directly on Amazon's product pages, where millions of customers are already shopping. This basically eliminates the hardest part of affiliate marketing, getting eyes on your content. Just to give you a little bit of statistic, Amazon is a massive marketplace with over 350 million products listed. This vast selection attracts more than 310 million active users globally, with approximately 230 million based in the US alone. With so many active users, we don't need to drive external traffic to the marketplace at all. Instead, we create videos on existing product listings, share our opinions, and help customers make a decision. If a buyer watches our video last and then check out their cart, you earn a commission on everything in that cart, whether the video was related to the product or not, because you help them make a decision. But how do you get started with the Amazon Influencer Program? It is not as easy as just signing up. You need to be accepted based on specific criteria, including your social media presence. Once you're in, the real key is getting approved for on-site commission, which allow your video reviews to appear directly on Amazon's product pages, right where customers are looking to buy. In the next part of this video, I'll walk you through a detailed guide on how to join the Amazon Influencer Program, get approved for on-site commission, and create content that drives sales. And I will talk more about my own personal journey. Before we dive into the first step, let me clear up a common confusion I had when I first started. There are actually two Amazon affiliate marketing programs. The first is called Amazon Associate Program, which is quite easy to join. It allows you to generate affiliate links that you can share on your social media, blogs, website, whatever, earning commission on every sale. These are actually referred as off-site commission because you're driving traffic to a specific link. The second program, which is the focus here, is the Amazon Influencer Program. So initially, after you're accepted into the program, it functions very similarly to the Amazon Associate Program, where you can earn off-site commissions using track links. However, the real advantage of the influencer program is gaining access to what is called the on-site commissions. This allows you to basically post review videos directly on Amazon product pages, which can significantly boost your earnings without driving any traffic, because Amazon already have plenty of traffic. All right, let's now dive into the first step, how to get started with the Amazon Influencer Program. Joining the Amazon Influencer program isn't just a matter of just signing up. You need to meet certain criteria to be accepted. The program is available in a few countries. Based on my own experience though, it is best to just focus on the US platform since it has the most active user base anyway. To apply, you will need to use one of your social media accounts such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. If you don't already have one, I suggest starting with TikTok as it is one of the easiest platforms for gaining organic followers and engagement. So now go create a TikTok account and start posting regularly. Ensure that some of the video actually feature your face because this will help improve your chances of getting approved on the on-site commission later. The approval process can be a bit of a mystery with factors like your number of followers, account age, and engagement metrics all playing a role. However, the good news is that you can apply multiple times. It doesn't have a limit, it doesn't seem like. If you're denied, focus on building your social media presence and try again. For context, it took me more than 10 attempts to get approved, but I finally succeeded when my Instagram account hits about 5,000 followers. It is important to ensure that your account has been active for a while. So I suggest posting every other day, if not daily, for at least 30 days and ensure that at least one of them have your face in it before applying. So as with anything, persistence is crucial, and even if it takes multiple tries, it is absolutely worth it. So please don't give up. This is the easiest and most risk-free side hustle, and I don't want you to be discouraged just because the first step is a bit challenging. So to be transparent, it took me about 3 months to get approved. It could have been much quicker if I actually did more research and reach out to people who are already in the program to learn how to actually grow followers and engagement. I've heard of people buying active Instagram accounts to try to join the program that way, but you will still need to post content with your face in it. Also, keep in mind that the email you use to apply for the program should be the same as the one linked to your social media account. So you have to have this in mind before doing any of these tricks. Quick ask here. If you find value in this video, please consider giving this a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you haven't yet. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, the second step, which is the most important one, how to get approved for on-site commissions. Getting into the program is just the first step. The real earnings come from being approved for on-site commissions. This approval allows your video reviews to appear directly on Amazon product pages where customers are already in the buying mindset. To get approved for on-site commission, you will need to upload 3 high-quality videos to your Amazon storefront. This video must meet Amazon standards, which is clear audio, good visual, and content that's both relevant and engaging. So avoid topics like health advice or anything involving children, as Amazon has very strict guidelines on this. Here's an example of one of my own video review. Okay, so this is the Moen 2-handle bathroom faucet with 3-hole faucet. It's pretty easy to install. I was able to do it, so it should be pretty straightforward. It's important to know that Amazon now prefers videos that are more than 30 seconds long and shot in vertical format. And it should include your face in at least one of the videos. Just to summarize, number 1, create 3 videos, each 30 seconds or longer, with a clean background and in vertical format. That's basically portrait. Second advice is to make sure that you're actually holding the product and interacting with it instead of having it static, just standing like an image. Number 3 is to add voiceover, but avoid using any visual graphics or music or mentioning the word Amazon or your own social media account. Number 4, do not give any medical advice, just pure neutral opinion. Number 5, your face should appear in at least one of the 3 videos. Now, only upload this 3 videos and only 3 until you receive approval. You know if you have been approved when you get an email and see a congratulations window when you log into your account, and it usually takes about a week or 2 to get approved. From what I understand, you only have 3 chances to get approved for the on-site commission, so make sure everything is perfect before submitting. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, or you can even join Facebook group dedicated to this topic. I'm not affiliated with any of them, but there's one that I joined and I find it very helpful, so I'm gonna link it in the description of this video. The third third step is to create effective videos. So here are the 3 key tips. Number 1, title and thumbnail. I spent time literally just photoshopping the product, adding arrows and text to it, and those did not even perform as well as the one that I literally just slap a picture of the product itself. So instead of wasting time on thumbnail, I suggest just spending more time thinking about the title. It could be framed as a question or answer to a question. Do some trial and error and see what works best. Number 2, high-ticket items. Reviewing more expensive products can significantly boost your earning. Even if the commission rate is the same, the higher price of the item means higher payout. So for example, the video that made me the most earning are the ones above $150. Number 3, focus on higher earning categories. Amazon has a list of on-site commission rates based on categories. The highest ones are 4% and are usually home, kitchen, and home improvements. Step number 4, how to scale your Amazon influencer business. Once you've mastered the basic, it is time to scale it up. Start by reviewing items you already own, and many of the products in your home are likely on Amazon anyway. This is exactly how I created my first 250 video within the first month after being approved for on-site commissions. To scale further, tap into your network by visiting family and friends to review their product. As your portfolio expands, companies might begin sending you free products to review. Another strategy that I do is to explore public spaces like hobby shops, community centers, pay membership for a gyms, go to the university or the dorms. You'll be surprised how many items you see in these places are actually sold on Amazon. Some people have even offered Airbnb hosts cash to spend an hour at their rental, recording as many product reviews as possible. Now remember, this is a numbers game. All you need is a 30-second video or slightly longer of you interacting with the product with or without your face in it. Once you get home, you can add a voiceover and then upload it to your storefront. That's it. Don't overthink it. That's how I do it. As you dive into the Amazon Influencer Program, it is important to be aware of common pitfalls that can hurt your success. So here are a few mistakes that I've seen people make and why you should avoid them. Number 1, returning products after reviewing them. Some influencers make the mistake of buying products off of Amazon to review them only to return them afterward. This might seem like a quick way to get some content, but it is a big no-no. Amazon has a very sophisticated ways of linking account and tracking behavior. So if they discover that you're returning products after reviewing them, they will ban you from the program, and they could even ban your Amazon Prime account. This is a risk that you don't want to be taking. Number 2, not reading Amazon's policy. Amazon has strict guidelines for the content you create. So for example, you're not allowed to feature kids in your video unless an adult is also in the frame. Additionally, videos that show a barcode or address on the packaging are often restricted. It is crucial to read and understand Amazon's policy to avoid any violation that could lead to your video being removed or worse, your account being suspended. Number 3, panicking over fluctuations in earnings. Amazon frequently tests new features and placement, which can cause a fluctuation in your earnings. It is easy to panic when you see a dip in your income, but it is important to stay calm and focused. The best way to mitigate the impact of these changes is to continue creating high-quality content and diversifying your income stream. This is a fairly new program that has been around for 2-3 years, so it is expected for Amazon to keep changing and modifying and trying to figure out what works. So by avoiding this mistake and staying informed about Amazon's policy, you can build a successful and sustainable income through Amazon Influencer Program. Now that you understand the entire process, let me share some personal insights from my first 2 months in the Amazon Influencer Program. During my first month in the program, I recorded about 250 videos, and they are all products that I already own at home. I brought in about $833.94 in net profit. In the second month, with a total of 310 videos, I earned about $1,111. My goal for this month is to hit at least 550 videos by the end of the month. So based on my current performance, it seems like it would take about 300 video for every $1,000 earned. To hit my goal of $5,000 earned per month by 2025, I'll need to either increase my video count 5-fold or focus on reviewing high-ticket items. If I stick to my current pace, it basically means adding 250 to 300 video each month until the end of the year. One thing to keep in mind is that products on Amazon don't usually get upgrades often, so your video can continue to generate an income for a while. However, not all of your video would display promptly in the Amazon carousel. Some products only show about 6 videos, and this rotates randomly. This means that you might earn a commission on a specific video today, but not tomorrow. Additionally, if a product goes out of stock, your earnings basically stop, which happened to me in one of my high-ticket items that I earned over $350 in commission for a few days before it dropped off the carousel and went out of stock. It is important to know that only about 20% of your videos actually bring in commission, so don't be surprised if most of your content doesn't perform. Just an FYI, Amazon does not allow you to share any of the screenshot of their dashboard. Make sure you don't do that publicly, and that's why you don't see any of the screenshot of my dashboard in this video. If you want to learn more about my side hustle journey, check out my other video about how I built and scaled my e-commerce business to about $200,000 in revenue and a detailed profit breakdown of that business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.